Research indicates that people often inherit not only physical traits from their parents, but also financial behaviors. Children tend to mimic their parents' attitudes and habits when it comes to money management. A journey into the world of financial independence, where we are all learning to surpass the financial habits of our parents. Breaking the cycle of poor financial decisions starts with education and awareness. Welcome back to AJ's Info. Let's achieve success together. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Every journey starts with a first step. Your first step is understanding that no matter your background, you have the power to handle money better than your parents did. It's not about wishing for a magic solution or inheriting financial wisdom. It's about making informed choices, setting goals, and staying committed to financial growth. You have the power of technology to build wealth. Harness the might of technology. Step into your financial power. Take informed decisions, set achievable goals, and commit to consistent financial growth. Don't forget, they did their best with the knowledge they had. Now it's your turn to build on that and elevate your financial future. Now you will ask how. What are the things should I do to build wealth? What knowledge should I gain to achieve to financial success? The key to mastering money management isn't about having more, it's about understanding it. It's about understanding the concept of saving, investing, and spending wisely. Start by setting a goal. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or getting out of debt, your goal will guide your financial decisions. Create a budget. This is not a punishment, but a tool. It's a roadmap to your financial future, and yes, it can include those little luxuries you just can't live without. When you master your budget, you're not just managing money. You're paving a path to prosperity, ensuring your dollars work harder for you. Don't shy away from financial education. Knowledge is power. And the more you know about personal finance, investments, and financial markets, the better equipped you are to make sound financial decisions. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save. Learn to live below your means. This doesn't mean denying yourself, but rather prioritizing your spending. Debt is a tool, not a lifestyle. Use it wisely. Understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt can help you grow your wealth. Bad debt can drain it. Investing is not a game for the rich. It's a strategy for everyone who wants to grow their wealth. Start small if you must, but start. Don't let debt define you. Let it drive you. Learn to leverage debt to your benefit and discover the path to financial independence. Understand the power of compound interest. It's not about getting rich quickly, but about growing your wealth steadily over time. It's never too early to start. Let them learn from your successes and mistakes. This way, you can handle money better than their parents did. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. You will make mistakes, but learn from them. Stay consistent, stay committed, and above all, stay open to learning. What specific financial habits or lessons did you inherit from your parents? Let us know in the comments. So take a deep breath, step into this journey, and start to handle money better than your parents did. Because you can, and you will. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Take care.